Hello, welcome to our program Análise Diária, where we perform the analysis of Bitcoin prices with our software Wild Horses and current market data. My name is Fernando Bender and our program airs daily in 5 weekly editions except by Fridays and Sundays. On Sundays we perform a special edition on altcoins where we perform the analysis of Ethereum and Litecoin pairs quoted in BTC. So don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notification button so you're informed of new episodes and editions of our programs like this one. So let's dive into the graphics. In the first one we see here the closing price of Bitcoin quoted in Tether on exchange Binance. At the bottom of the graphic we see here a colored line that depicts the volume traded on Binance, OKX and Huobi, represented according to how many standard deviations the aggregated volume is above the average of the last 59 days. The prices are framed in channel that according to our software Wild Horses best describe its behavior, and we see here the uptrend according to the software and the channel configuration. Although we had a very high spike, it was sustained by a much above the average volume in the last days, and that gives us the confidence that this is not an isolated move. However, we are experiencing, as we'll see right now, a congestion between the region 4,800-5,000 Tethers for the Bitcoin as for what is traded in Binance, and that is our reference for the market as a whole. So let's check our forecast for the closing of this day, April 3rd. We see here our expectation at the day closing at 4,829 Tethers, nearly 4,830 Tethers for this day, in an admissible interval ranging from 4,740 until 4,919 Tethers for this day. Our margin error has decreased sharply because of the sharp move that we had in the prices in the last 2 days that couldn't get forecasted for the models because they do not see the future, they project the past for the immediate future, and that has served us well, and that's how we lose the space in once there is a sharp move, abrupt moves in price, but it learns, it adapts, and it incorporates that error and makes a new forecast considering the error or previous day. And that's what's going on right now. That's why we see here a difficulty of the prices to trade above 4,919, 4,920, especially breaking through the 5,000 line, and that's what we'll see in the market right now. It's somehow our near resistance, so let's check it. Here we see in the Binance exchange, we see here the prices of Bitcoin quoted in Tether. So let's dive in it. We see here in the 1 hour chart, we see that we are in a congestion region. That congestion region starts here in 4,800, a little above, and it has the 500 line here as a resistance. So we are between 4,800, we can say 4,830 till 5,000. So we see a likelihood of ups and downs in the moves of the prices within this region with equal probabilities. However, for move ups we see as needed that the volume traded resume its rising, which has not happened. We are falling to nearly the lows in the volumes in this period of ascension that we experienced in the last days, and that's not positive for new highs. However, if the prices remain in this level and fall even below, we see here a likelihood that the prices will make a test at the support at 4,830. If that support is lost, we see here a second support in 4,760, 4,750, this line 4,760, and if that one is lost, we see here a second one in 4,730. That's our forecast as a matter of possible supports in case they are tested. Another one here down in 4,670, so we have 4,670, a bit up 47.20, 47.30, and above that the 4800, 48.30. So these are the supports that we are seeing, and looking up we see here the 5000. Above that we see the 5600 in case we breach the 5000 with strong volume, and that might take us there in the same day. However, as we are seeing this as a change in the trend from a side move to an uptrend, we are likely to experience moves that takes many days and possibly several weeks, and by doing so it is natural that there will be correction in this move, moving back somehow, and we are looking forward the new supports that are being formed as we scale up in prices. So let's stay tuned to that, and don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notifications to be informed of new editions of our program, Bitcoin Daily or Analisi Diaria of Bitcoin prices, where we will be looking forward for these supports and this resistance for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next program. Have a nice day. Bye bye.